Hello YouTuber and Viewmaster friend, 3D and retro enthusiast. We are very happy that you are here. Please keep your stereo viewer and the Viewmaster 3D reel set ready, which we show here in our video. Even if you don't have this 3D picture set yet, maybe you can just listen to our spoken text and imagine the motifs in your own fantasy world. Now listen to the following audio video while you take your time looking at the 3D images and switching accordingly frame by frame. Viewmaster Reel 1, Scene 1.
When the Kansas cyclone struck Uncle Henry's farm, Dorothy and her dog Toto were in the house. The cyclone lifted the house and whirled it far, far away.
Picture 2.
Welcome to the land of Oz. I am the good witch of the north. Your house fell on the wicked witch of the east. Look, her magic silver shoes.
Picture 3.
I want to go back to Kansas. Go to the Emerald City. Ask the great Wizard of Oz to help you. Put on the silver shoes and follow the yellow brick road.
Picture 4.
Along the road to Oz, Dorothy rescued a scarecrow who hung in a cornfield. Thank you. I want to go with you. Maybe the wizard can give me some brains.
Picture 5.
Dorothy and the Scarecrow found in the forest a woodman all made of tin. He had rusted, so they oiled him. Thank you. May I go with you? I need a heart.
Picture 6.
A lion! Don't you dare bite Toto!
I'm really a coward. Do you think the wizard could give me courage?
Picture 7.
When they came to a river with no bridge, the woodman built a raft. The Scarecrow's pole got stuck in the mud, but they all reached shore safely and continued on their journey.
Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1.
They came to a field of big red poppies. Their scent made Dorothy and the lion sleepy. Toto went to sleep too. Run! Carry her out of these deadly flowers!
Picture 2.
Soon they found the road again. Ahead of them, a green glow filled the sky. They came to the top of a hill and saw, just ahead, the Emerald City.
Picture 3.
At the city gate, a man clothed in green made them all put on green spectacles. He led them through the dazzling green city to the green palace of Oz.
Picture 4.
I am Oz, the great and terrible.
I am Dorothy, the small and meek. I want to go home to Kansas.
First, you must kill the wicked witch of the West.
Picture 5.
As they approached the land of the Winkies, the wicked witch of the West looked into her magic globe and saw them coming. She summoned the winged monkeys.
Picture 6.
The winged brilliant monkeys capture Dorothy's friends and carry her to the castle of the witch.
So, you're Dorothy, eh? I'll put you to work as my kitchen slave.
Picture 7.
You made me stumble. Give me back my silver shoe. Didn't you know water will melt me? Ah!
Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 1.
Dorothy found the dead witch's magic cap and used it to summon the winged monkey.
Carry me and my friends back to the Emerald City of Oz.
Picture 2.
When they entered the wizard's throne room, they heard his voice, but the throne was empty.
We kept our promise, Mr. Wizard. Now you keep yours.
Wow!
Picture 3.
Who are you?
I am Oz, the great and terrible. Why, you're just a humbug.
Picture 4.
But the wizard kept his word after all. He gave brains to the Scarecrow, a heart to the Tin Woodman, and a drink of courage to the Cowardly Lion.
Picture 5.
Dorothy and the wizard made a big balloon to take Dorothy to Kansas, but the balloon left too soon with the wizard in it. Goodbye! Goodbye!
Picture 6.
And now the Scarecrow was the new ruler of Oz. Glinda, the good witch of the South, told Dorothy how to get back to Kansas.
Just use your magic silver shoe.
Picture 7.
She clicked her shoes 3 times.
Take me home.
In 3 giant steps, the shoes carried her back to Kansas. Dorothy and Toto were home again.
We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up